Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the change history for your Google ads campaigns? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the change history in your Google ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing Google ads, if you make changes inside your account, you want to verify that it went through, or possibly made a change and you think you might have made an error. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google ads dashboard. Check the video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find the change history for your Google Ads account, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click here on change history. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of the recent changes in your Google Campaigns account. So you can actually filter these by user, by campaign, and by performance. Also, if you made a change into your Google Ads account that was an error, underneath the change data right here, there's a blue button here called undo. That only applies if it was a recent change in your Google Ads account. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find the change history in your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.